All right, Tubesters and Tubettes. Guess what's going on today? Yeah, this the shell. This is the top of the K5. Y'all see I got it wrapped, right? So I went through today, put all the new weather stripping on it. Put all of the new weather stripping on this sucker. Trying to get it together. Got it all glued down, so it should be good and dry now. Been on there a couple hours. Make sure I use my weather stripping glue that was provided with the kit. So yeah, everything back in place. I can dig it. My boy Hack just came and hooked up my system. I'm running two 210, some Kenwoods in the back. A little light work, man. We ain't doing too much, man. What we got? 4 6x9s, 2 6.5, and a couple add-ons. Them little tweeters, man. But she loud though. She loud. So now I gotta get the mechanism for this rear window here to work. Oh my goodness. Finding all the pieces to the puzzle. Won't LMC just sell a kit for this stuff, man? LMC. Golly. Part by part. What you need on back order. But it's all good though, man. We gonna get it. We gonna put all the pieces to the puzzle. Put all my new seals in. So we rocking, baby. We rocking. I know y'all ready for Big Uncle Phillip. What y'all think about them turn signal mirrors? That's one of my favorite features on here. So let me tell you the boo-boo we had. Yeah, we was putting the windshield in. And look what happened. Crack the damn windshield. After I done had this pretty thing tinted, set it down, waiting on it for weeks for the seal to come in. Seal come in, 30 minutes in applying the sucker, man, it cracked. Tick me off. But it's all good, though. Y'all see I put that Ray Charles bar on the front. Boy, if you don't see me coming. If you don't see me coming. Got the AC hooked up. Shoot, man, I'm rocking and rolling, man. I'm waiting on PSI to set my wire harness so I can plug everything up. Got my headers on. Yes, sir. Finally got them headers. I got 1 3/4. 1 3/4 with the 5.7. I got board over 30. So, both headers on already. Man, we just waiting to fire this sucker up this week, man. I got the new fuel tank in. I want to put some gas in it and mash it. And mash it, baby. So, we down to a, what is this here? Oh, LED. Oh, okay, so we got to tuck the wires up. Oh, okay, light work. Heck, I don't think my seat moving back over there. Seat's not moving. What about this one here? No. Let's see what power's running to. Boy, I know y'all ain't ready for Big Uncle Phil. It should be running to up under there, the fuse box. Under here? Yep, the fuse box up there. Because it's grounded to that wall. Oh yeah, it might be that. Y'all know I be old school when I listen to the music. Oh, it's blue.
Blue's going to the ground.
Blue going to the ground. Well, it's probably that purple one then.
The purple's tied into. It's just like a starter wire.
But that's a constant power though, ain't it?
Trying to see where it's actually kept. Yeah. Right there.
So he finna figure that the small tiered out, which is easy. Boy, I like the way this big sucker sound, man.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah, I pulled the tap off. Well, I was pulling my fuse. I must have pulled the tap off. You're working?
Yeah.
You want to take them back?
And y'all know I got the seats out of a new Tahoe Silverado. Out of a newer Silverado. 2007, 2008. Hey man, sometimes you need that comfort, man. Maybe kick your legs up, kick back, man, put a little lumbar in. You know, the older you get, the more essentials you need.
I'm gonna get you, what is it, Shiatsu?
Yeah, man. You know, and the wolf suede. Y'all see we down them at everything. All right, that's it for Big Phil, man. I'm finna get Hacksaw to help me lift this big sucker here back up. Throw it back on the car. And I'm gonna be back in a minute, man. Y'all lay around for Big Uncle Phil coming through in a minute.